in today's edition, what we're going to be shining the spotlight onto is the Gala Tent Marquee. This is the tent that made us famous and what we've been supplying for over 20 years. Gala Tent Marquees are available in up to 22 different sizes, from a quite compact 3 meters by 2 meters, which is what I'm standing in right now. Something like this is going to be large enough to get around 6 people around a table, maybe at Christmas, maybe if you own a pub and you want to create some individual booths, something like this would be ideal for about 6 people. Okay, so the Gala Tent Marquees are available in 2 distinct cover materials, the first of which is the top of the range 650 GSM PVC. Or you've got the 240 GSM polyethylene, aka PE. Okay, so the top of the range 650 GSM Elite PVC. This is the material here. It comes with a warranty of 3 years on all of the covers in the PVC. That is the confidence that we have in that material and in that product. So the PVC is an extremely robust material. It is wipe clean, so if you do take it out and you can let that dirt dry, and then you can brush or wipe it off with a kitchen roll or just a dry cloth. The way that the sidewalls connect together is by Dutch lacing. So the reason we use Dutch lacing is that the PVC is so robust that just standard zips aren't able to hold the material together. I'll show you a bit of Dutch lacing now. So Dutch lacing is like that. Essentially you will, with all your sidewalls, with all your doors, you fix it together with the Velcro. Once that's in position, you then weave it all together, pull it tight, you've got a fully enclosed waterproof structure. Compared to the PVC, which uses Velcro and Dutch lacing, the PE uses zips to connect to each sidewall to one another. Now, whether you go for a PE or a PVC marquee, they will all come with Georgian windows as standard. Instant privacy. Okay, so the great thing about Gala Tent Marquees is that we don't compromise on the quality of the framework. So yeah, we have 2 different materials, but all of the framework is the same. It's the same powder coated steel framework, available up to 44 millimeters in diameter. Now, the reason I say up to 44 millimeters in diameter is that we have 3 different widths of marquee. We have the 3, the 4, and the 6 meter. The wider you go, the stronger that framework needs to be. So we've seen the windows. How do the doors work? On all of our marquees, whether it's a 3, a 4 or a 6 meter wide marquee, you will get 3 door options. And this is also whether it's on a PE or a PVC marquee. So you'll see 3 openings here. The widest one will run from end to end. There you go. You can roll that up, use the clips to keep it secure. You don't want something quite so wide, open this one. And then finally, just a standard door. If you just want something where people can get in and out, you just want easy access, fire escape, that door there, you can just simply roll that up, leave that one, the rest of it can stay closed. So what's that I hear you ask? Can I have it in blue? No, you can't have it in white. The reason we only choose white is because it's a fantastic universal colour, it's elegant, it's classy, it's easy to clean, and it's very popular. You can print on this space here on a PVC marquee on the end panel. Okay, so now let's talk about price. Gala Tent Marquees will start at $199.99, including VAT. What you'll get for that is a 3 meters by 2 meters PE marquee. You can go all the way up to 6 meters by 24 meters. Get what you pay for.